Yo, what's up guys? It's Kevin Pak here. And today is one of those days where my phone is blowing up again, but this time about a different topic. This time, my good old friends, people are asking me, should I hire a VA to start my Amazon FBA business if I have no experience and I'm just getting started? Now, I'm not sure what's going on, but this question has been blowing me up lately in the past few days. I don't know if somebody posted a recent video about it, they wanted to get my advice, but the last few days I've been getting a lot of messages about it. So I'm gonna give you guys my opinion, my recommendation, coming from an actual six-figure seller, multiple six-figure seller, on when should you hire a VA? When should you hire a virtual assistant? And should you do it if you're just getting started? Now, before we begin, of course, I'm gonna show you guys my sales so far so you guys know I'm a current Amazon seller and I know what the hell I'm talking about. All right, so it's about 1:48 p.m. and yes, I know my phone's about to die, but this just happens all the time. Okay, full refresh, boom, right there. Now, I'm also gonna show you guys the last 12 months and show you guys how my account has been doing. All right, there you go, over $300,000 in the last 12 months. Okay, so let's start off with what is a VA, okay? A VA is a virtual assistant, meaning that they are doing work for you online and not in person. They can be doing it overseas or whatever, but it's gonna be through the internet. VAs can be hired anywhere around the world. They could be in America, they could be in the Philippines, India, etc. Like anywhere around the world, as long as that person has a computer and internet just like you, then they can be a VA. They can specialize in any tasks that you assign them or train them in, but most VAs have basic skills in your specific industry, but they also need to be molded to your specific needs. VAs are cost effective because they work online and they don't require to be in person with you to get the work done. Now let's address the question about Amazon FBA and should you hire a VA if you have no experience and you're just getting started? And my answer to that is no. Before you guys get all keyboard trigger happy, let me explain. The purpose of a VA is to delegate work that you don't want to do or that they are better at to them. But every individual's business has its own structure and its own ways to being successful and knows what's the right direction. A VA's purpose isn't to magically make your business grow and make it successful. They're there to supplement and help your business based off of what your needs are and how you want the direction of your business to go. If you have no experience doing Amazon FBA, you don't know how to do product research, you don't know how to build a listing, you don't know how to manage PPC and optimize for a low ACoS, then how are you going to train a VA to do those things for you? How do you know what to expect and what they're doing right? They can't do that job because you haven't even done it yourself, so you don't know how to teach them that. For those who want to argue, well, what if I hire somebody that has experience and already knows how to do Amazon? Realize this, if you're gonna hire someone who knows how to do Amazon, you won't be able to tell if they're doing anything right and if they're actually making any progress or growth in your business, or if they're doing something wrong that you don't get. And on top of that, you don't actually build these skills to build a business yourself, to build a company yourself, to manage a team, to have all those skills. Those are important skills that you learn as an entrepreneur and a business owner. And if you just hire someone to do it all for you, then you're not gonna be able to have those skills to grow and scale. You'll be at a point where you don't know how to manage your VA or your virtual assistant because you can't tell what the major points are that they're lacking in or the major points that they're doing really well in. Like when you get hired at a job, for example, they don't expect you to just know how to do everything at once and they just give you the work and they leave you alone. No, they actually train you. They train you because you're an employee and they need to mold you to do the tasks that they have done before and they want you to be able to do those. That's what a VA is. It's not some magical person who's gonna make your business successful at all. They're your responsibility and they're your employee. So you need to make sure that they're doing the tasks that you need them to do. Okay, so now that we understand that concept about a VA, when is the right time to actually hire a virtual assistant for your business? My recommendation is wait until you have a few or a couple successful products at least that have been making consistent revenue, and wait until you reach the six-figure mark, because at that point you already have a few products, you know how the game works, you know how to do PPC, so now you can delegate those tasks to your VA, especially with things like PPC advertising. Don't outsource PPC to a VA if you don't know how to do it yourself, because then you cannot tell what they're doing right or what they're doing wrong or if they're making any progress at all. they're not going to be getting the results that you want because you don't know what the results you expect them to be. Jesus Christ, man. I don't know why I got so frustrated explaining that, but I guess you guys just need to logically think in business, okay? Stop trying to take all of these shortcuts and, you know, try to finesse things in a way or get things done for you. You got to learn how to do the business. Stop trying to take shortcuts. Go out there and do the work or don't get into business at all. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful and gave you a better understanding about hiring virtual assistants, okay? I didn't hire mine until I reached my 6-figure mark. And even then, I'm still learning how to actually manage my VA and organize and get tasks done. And it's not just so simple as, oh, hire somebody and they magically get everything done. You have to delegate, manage, and assign tasks to them and make sure that they're on point with what they're doing. Otherwise, you gotta let them go. So anyways, I hope this gave you some better insight, guys. Okay, so ask me any questions down below in the comments. Like this video if you like it. I'm sorry, this was a very aggressive video, but this, I don't know why I just got blown up about this question so many times. So anyways, have a great day, guys. I will catch you guys in the next one. As always, go make that money. God bless. Peace.